What radioactive isotope is produced when a neutron bombards a Tc-98 atom, releasing an alpha particle? So let's start with what we know. We're starting with technetium, and we know its mass number is 98. We look on the periodic table, we'll find that technetium has an atomic number of 43. It's being bombarded by a neutron, so the neutron is going to have no charge and a mass number of 1. It's going to release an alpha particle. Alpha particle is going to have a mass number of 4 and a charge of 2. It's basically a helium nucleus, and something that we don't know. This is our unknown radioactive isotope. So let's add up our numbers on the bottom first, get an atomic number. The atomic number of our new isotope is going to be 43 plus 0 from the neutron minus 2 that we lose to the alpha particle. So it's going to be 41. Let's see what we can figure out about the mass number. The mass number is going to be 98 plus 1 minus 4. So the mass number is going to be 95. Okay. We need to look on the periodic table and see if we can find which element has an atomic number of 41. There's our atomic number 41, and we've got nibidium right there. And that's an NB, nibidium. We want to check, we want to make sure that both sides equal each other. This is 43 plus 0, and this is 41 plus 2, which is equal to 43. And this side we've got 98 plus 1 is 99. Over here we've got 95 plus 4 is 99. So we've done our math correctly, and that's the answer.